In this video, we're unboxing the TYVOK P2. Let's first take a look inside the box and see what's included. Feel free to pause the video and check the parts against the list to make sure everything is there. We'll start by installing the stand. Screw in the 4 screws on the bottom. Then attach the main unit to the protective cover. Just snap it on and push it forward slightly to lock it in place. Place the machine onto the stand and tighten the nuts to secure it. Next, plug in the power cable. Now, let's give it a try. Lift the cover, slide in a piece of paper, and adjust the machine's height. Then turn on the machine. And you'll see it start working.